Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Lizy. Today we are going to learn about lesson 126 and we are going to be talking about identifying and counting quarters. So we're going to go over the coins today. This is the heads side of a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. This is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And that's the head side again. This is a dime. How much do you think a dime is worth? Right, 10 cents. Good job. This is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents, and this is what we will be talking about. So I'm going to put my quarter up here. All right. This is, let's see. So there's the front of the quarter. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. And then the back of the quarter is called the tail side. And the tail side of the quarter looks like this. So the tail side of the quarter actually usually has different states and emblems from the state. All right. So we'll put those up there. And how much did I say a quarter is worth? 25 cents, right. So 25 cents is written like this, 25 cents. Another way we could write it is you could put the dollar sign, put a 0, and then put a 0.25. All right, so now that we know what a quarter is, and we know the head side, and we know the tail side, we are going to talk about how to count quarters. So I have some coins from my piggy bank. And a fun thing to do, if you take some coins from your piggy bank, would be to first sort them. So I have my pennies, I put all my pennies together. The penny is different, it's copper color. I have my quarters, bigger one, nickels, put all my nickels, quarters. You could have this sorted before. That way, you're able to count a little bit easier, and you'll be able to see each one. So the 10 cents is a dime, like we said, and then we have our pennies. So we'll be counting amounts with that. All right. So first we're going to start with a quarter. This is 25 cents. So if I have 2 quarters, that is 25 plus 25 cents more. All right, and this is going to get into some regrouping, but the easy way that I like to teach is with a little rhyme. And this is how we count quarters. 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay? 25, 50, 75, $1. And how much is this? 4 quarters equals $1. Good. So that's an easy way you can do it. 25 plus 25 is 50. 2 quarters is 50 cents. Now let's look at this quarter. Let's really break it down. If we have 25 cents, we could have 1 quarter. What's another way we could make 25 cents? Right, 25 pennies. We could do that. Or we could do, what else could we do? Let me see. I know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So if I take 2 dimes, that's 20 cents. And then if I take 1 nickel, that's 25 cents. So 2 dimes, 10 cents, and 5 cents, that equals a quarter, right? Or you could do 25 pennies, or another way, you could do 1 dime, 1 nickel, 2 nickels, and 3 nickels. So 1 dime and 3 nickels. There's so many different ways you could do this. Another way is 2 dimes, and 5 pennies. So you can actually keep breaking down what different variations for 25 cents. It's a fun way to do it. All right, so we talked about heads and tails. Now I'm gonna put some money in here. I'm gonna drop it in the cup so that you can see me dropping it in and we can count together and see how much we have. All right, let's go. 25, 50, 75. How much do I have in here? 75 cents. It's 3 quarters is 75 cents. All right. Now I want you to try to put your quarter in the cup. Now why don't you let's put 5 quarters in the cup. Let's see how much. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now you start back over. $1.25. So $1, because you're just starting that rhyme again, $1.25. That's how that is written. All right, so you could keep actually doing this to buy things. If I bought this marker and it was worth 50 cents, what would I need? I would need 2 quarters. That's the easiest way to get to 50 cents. Or you could also use a $0.50. All right, now let's try to make it a little bit harder using, let's use quarters plus some other coins. All right, I'm going to buy this cup, and this cup is worth 60 cents. What do I need? I need my 2 quarters because that's 50 cents. So if I need 60 cents, what other coin do I need to get to 60 cents? One more coin. Right, the dime. So 50 cents plus 10 more cents is 60 cents. All right, good job. Now, how about let's try 36 cents. Let's see. If I have, let me erase my board a little bit. I have a quarter. That's 25 cents, and I need to get to 36 cents. So I'm going to take a dime, which is worth 10 cents. So 25 plus 10 is 35 cents. Now how much more do I need? 1 cent, right? We're trying to get to 36, so that would be 1 cent. So a quarter, a penny, and a dime is 36 cents. Great job. How about one more? How about 45 cents? Ooh. You know it's not 2 quarters, because that's 50 cents. Let's see. What if I did 1 quarter? Let's try another dime. And I want the smallest amount of coins. Let's see, I'm up to 35. 10 more than 35 is, I think, 45, right? 45 cents. A quarter and 2 dimes. 25, let's double check our work. Plus 10 more. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 45 cents. That's how we check our work. We just can add straight down. All right, great job. And you know what? A fun thing you could do at home is to set up a store, put price tags on the different items, like some of your toys, and then use that money that we just used from your piggy bank to see if you could go buy toys. But you need to show your mom or dad the right coins to use, okay? Great. All right, so now you're gonna go ahead and practice your fact worksheet, and you're also going to get into your guided class practice. So you only have to do side A. So make sure that you are drawing your line segment with your ruler, and I would definitely go straight to the quarter problem because we just did it. So that way we already know what to do. 3 quarters, it shows 3 quarters on the problem, and 3 quarters is 25, 50, 75 cents. Don't forget that cent sign, we're looking for that. All right, and then we have some problems. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. It's a doubles. Minus 1. So that would be 1 left, right? And I want to actually go over this one really quick. Because this one could be sometimes tricky for students. We have 3 numbers. I'm going to show you a trick. All right, 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? 4. Good. So 4 plus 7. What did we learn last week? 4 plus 7 is 11. Good job. So that's an easy way. If you break it down and go left to right, you'll get the answer. All right? All right. Well, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are always happy to help. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.